Hey everyone, welcome to today's training session. I'm Zaman Rubin, and today we're diving into a critical topic that's all too often overlooked: fire safety in your kitchen exhaust system. That's right, I'm talking about your kitchen hood, and specifically the top 3 fire mistakes restaurant owners make when it comes to their hoods. These mistakes can put your business, employees, and customers at risk. Let's make sure you're avoiding them. Mistake number 1: not cleaning your hood system regularly. Mistake number 1: not cleaning your hood system regularly is the most common and most dangerous mistake restaurant owners make when it comes to fire safety. Over time, grease builds up in the exhaust hoods, the ducts, the filters, and that grease is extremely flammable. Let me break it down for you. Your kitchen is full of high heat equipment, grills, fires, stoves, and when grease is allowed to build up in the exhaust system, it acts like kindling waiting to catch fire. According to the National Fire Protection Association, grease fires are one of the leading causes of commercial kitchen fires. Regularly cleaning your hood and duct system isn't just about compliance, it's about preventing a potential disaster. NFPA 96 recommends cleaning your exhaust system every 3 to 6 months, depending on the volume of cooking in your kitchen. If your restaurant is high volume, that cleaning might need to happen more frequently. Bring in a professional cleaning service to make sure your hood, ducts, and filters are spotless. This will reduce the risk of fire, save you from costly repairs, and help you pass those inspections. Mistake number 2: using cheap or inadequate filters in your kitchen hood. You might think any filter will do, but that's not simply the case. Cheap or improperly sized filters can catch all the grease and debris, meaning that grease buildup will end up in your ducts, which can increase your fire risk. Why does this matter? A poor filter won't trap the grease properly, which means it gets sucked into your ducts, creating a potential fire hazard. Additionally, when filters aren't replaced or cleaned regularly, they become clogged, reducing airflow and causing your exhaust system to work inefficiently. This increases the chance of overheating, which can lead to fires. The solution? Invest in high-quality filters that are specifically designed for your kitchen's needs. Make sure they are rated for grease capture, and be sure to clean or replace them regularly. This is a small investment that will pay off by keeping your kitchen safe and your exhaust system running smoothly. Mistake number 3 is ignoring the fire suppression system in your hood. This is a big one. Many restaurant owners think that simply having a fire suppression system installed is enough, but that couldn't be further from the truth. A fire suppression system is designed to automatically detect heat and extinguish a fire before it starts. But if your system isn't maintained properly, it won't work when you need it most. Over time, the chemical agents can break down the sensors and can malfunction. The system might not activate when a fire breaks out. That's why it's so important to have your fire suppression system inspected and serviced regularly. You should have a certified technician check it at least every 6 months to make sure everything is working properly. And don't forget to replace any used fire suppression agents. Make sure that the system meets the local fire codes and that it's ready to spring into action in case of a fire. A well-maintained fire suppression can be the difference between a small grease fire and a full-blown disaster. Let's recap. The top 3 fire mistakes restaurant owners make when it comes to their hoods. Number 1, not cleaning the hood and duct system regularly. Number 2, using cheap or inadequate filters. And number 3, ignoring the fire suppression systems. By avoiding these 3 mistakes, you will not only ensure the safety of your restaurant, but also create a more efficient and compliant kitchen. Taking these steps will protect your employees, customers, and your business from the risks associated with kitchen fires. Remember, fire safety isn't something you can afford to overlook. Regular maintenance and investing in quality equipment can save your business. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fire safety tips and best practices. Stay safe, and let's keep those kitchens fire-free.